finally decided to get a 3D printer. Didn't want to spend a whole lot of money to start off with, so I got this FlashForge AD5X and external enclosure and printed this myself. It's a 4-color, 4-spool machine. It's got some upgrades that I've done on it. You can kind of see spool numbers, on the end of each of the spools there. The whole external case, this kind of cute little cover thing, this riser down here with drawers that pull out, the poop chute, which is kind of cool. It's fall, but it connects onto the back with screws. They're all things you can find out in the different places like printables and that sort of stuff. But this is it. Probably one of the biggest upgrades I did was I did 3 different sets of LED lights, and this is like a 24-volt kit, and I just kind of split it up and soldered it together to make it all run. And then I printed off these light things. This one here's kind of got like little pegs that go in. That's the one that comes if you buy the light kit, and the other one over here's got, I took the pegs out and put magnets in those spots when I printed it. And then this first one here is just kind of taped up to the thing, so you kind of get different layers. Get you a really bright, cage in there, and makes the videos a little nicer if you do time lapse. I did add the camera, kind of see it right here. But that's pretty much it. I've been printing, quite a few things with it. You can see some of these different signs I've printed here just in the last few hours, but works really well. Been pretty happy with it. Had to replace a nozzle already, but it had some sort of a leveling issue. Kind of did some damage to the plate, but I was able to turn the plate around. I was here to stop it, thank goodness. Turned the plate around, turned the handle around, so using the other side of the plate, and re-leveled it, and everything's been working fine. I think that was user error. I think I kind of moved it and didn't have it recalibrate, but that's kind of it. And it's going to be moving out to the garage here shortly, so I printed it in the US General green to match the toolboxes out there, and plan on using it a lot on working on stuff in the garage. So this is it.